What's up YouTube, and welcome back to the channel. This week the temperatures in Southern California were pretty brutal, reaching almost 100 degrees Fahrenheit. Now usually that's not a big deal, you just stay inside, drink some water, you should be fine. However, the heat has also taken a toll on the Land Cruiser, especially on my already crappy fake wood interior trim. Let's check it out. So here's my interior right here. As you can see, this guy is all tweaked now for whatever reason. From what I remember, it used to be just kind of chilling right here. It broke over here a while ago and then just kind of been dangling, but now it's just everything's falling apart. And down here, one of the pieces already broke off. I let it sit in the sun right now, so it's nice and pliable, but before it was very brittle. From what I understand, these wood trim stick-ons are aftermarket. They are not factory, unlike the Lexus LX 470 versions. These guys, I don't know, maybe they're from eBay or whatever, I don't know what it is, but it seems like the previous owner had it in here for a long time. This first piece goes around the full shifter bezel, and then the second piece up here actually goes around the whole radio and AC controls and all that. But first what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to remove this guy and see how good it turns out. If it turns out looking okay, I might do this as well. This one hasn't really come off yet, but as you can tell, like the plastic is already separating from the wood underneath, and it looks really tacky. So here we are. I was able to get all of the fake wood trim off. Now it came off in chunks like this. This part was actually still in pretty good shape, which was the part up here. It came off in mostly big chunks, but the smaller bits around the edges, they kind of just like fell apart like this. Like this is like literally as it's like a little bit of cardboard, and that's it. I did use the hair dryer, as you guys saw. Did it help as far as removing the sticky tape stuff? I'm not sure. Down here, the tape was already really old and brittle from the sun and everything, so it just kind of came off. But as you can see up where the top is, where it's usually not in the sun, the tape is pretty much intact. So like this double-sided tape here, it looks like you can kind of peel it off. I'm not sure, but I'll probably have to take some more time to clean all this stuff up. I don't know what I'm going to use. Maybe, I don't know, I've heard of Gugon, I've heard WD-40, I've also heard of gasoline, but I got to see what's safe for the plastic. What I'll probably do, because there's so much of the tape stuck at the way top, is I'll probably end up taking out this piece, the shifter bezel again. It's not too difficult. I have a video you know, where I show how to do this, and I'll link it up here. But I'll take this guy off and see if I can get it cleaned up. Hey guys, so here is the center console removed from the Land Cruiser, and as you can see, I've been peeling back at this like double-sided tape stuff that was on the back of the wood trim. However, it's not coming off easy at all. Like it would break apart if I pulled too hard, just like that. So slowly I can roll this back. But the issue with that is, after I take off all this tape stuff, I still have this sticky stuff on the surface of the console. I don't know guys, I think I might have messed this up. I might have to cut this video short because I gotta figure out a way to remove this sticky residue. I've tried the heat from the hair dryer, I've also tried the WD-40, and the WD-40 worked a little bit. It made it shinier if anything, but it's still really sticky and I don't think it wants to come off. I'm sure there's an easier way to remove all this sticky stuff, so if you know how to remove it without damaging the center console, the plastic center console underneath, let me know in the comments down below. It would be much appreciated. I do not want to sit here for 2 to 3 weeks just rubbing this plastic stuff off. Also, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, and for more Land Cruiser and Overland content, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.